This audio is part of Bloom's educational materials. First grade, Unit 2, page 14. Color what you hear.
Hello, students. How are you today? Are you ready to color the school supplies? Let's go! Let's start with the backpack, okay? Color it orange. Can you see the book? The book is green. Color it. Now it's time for the pencil. The pencil is purple. Oh, I think purple is my favorite color. That's why the eraser is also purple. Okay, now let's think about the pair of scissors. Use your yellow pencil to color the scissors. And the glue? You can choose any color you want to paint the glue.